Hey, I'm here with Joey of Red Star Antiques here in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Joey specializes in Coca Cola stuff, Petroliana.
Yeah, vintage advertising, soda machines, gas pumps, stuff of that nature.
You name it. All right, well, Joey, tell me about the store.
I've been open for about 2 years now.
Yeah.
We specialize in vintage advertising, gas pumps, Coke machines, roadside Americana, stuff of that nature.
You're just easy to find right here along 412.
Yep, 3260 US 62 West, Mountain Home, Arkansas. We're open most weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sundays. Do a lot of traveling,
Yeah.
do a lot of shows.
Yeah. I first found him on Instagram. It's Coke and stuff, right?
Correct.
There's no spaces or
There's
dots.
underscores. Coke,
There's
underscore, and underscore stuff.
There you go. Okay, so go check him out on Instagram. It's a lot of fun to follow along because you do a lot of traveling.
Do a lot of
And he's
traveling.
been picking up a lot of cool stuff all over the place.
All over the country. We
So,
travel East Coast, Chicago several times a year. Been down south, Mississippi.
A lot of swap meets, you
A
guys
lot of
have
swap
been
meets, trade shows, advertising shows, antique shows, some car shows.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, so one of your recent picks that I thought was really fun, he took me out to the boneyard to go see the trailer full still. You went to Vicksburg. Tell me about that.
Vicksburg, Mississippi, the Beatenhorn Bottling Company in Vicksburg. Joseph Beatenhorn was the first guy to ever bottle Coca Cola. I actually got salvage rights to the family dump where they dumped about 65 machines in 1965.
Yeah, so pre-65, probably a lot older than that.
A lot of machines are late 40s, early 50s.
Yeah, so that I got to go see the trailer full. You still haven't gotten to unload it
No,
yet.
not yet. It's getting there.
But you know, I love that rusty, crusty stuff. But you do restore machines completely.
We do full-blown restorations. I do renovations, basically where you rehab the machine. Everything's new, but original paint, original components, stuff like that.
They're gorgeous, and then in perfect working order when
Perfect
you're
working
done.
order, turnkey, ready to go.
Yeah. So I got to look around the shop, and you've got a little of everything.
Try to have a little bit of everything.
Yeah, a lot of advertising stuff.
Yep.
And I was a Coke collector as a kid, and still do a little bit. So I really geeked out a lot. And you've got a swap meet coming up that's going to be here right outside the store.
We've got 2 acres of pretty level ground, fairly shaded, June 29th.
Where we're standing right now.
It's on a Saturday, 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. We've got about 20 people set up so far, $20 dealer set up, as much space as you need within reason. Come out, have fun.
Sounds good. Well, thanks, Joey. And thank you Only in Arkansas for sponsoring this video.
No problem. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, life's what you make it.
Yep.
Let's get our hands dirty.